Alright guys, today I'm going to show you how to remove the shifter for any 87 to 93 Foxbody Mustang. I currently have the Hurst shifter on here, but it's going to be the same whether you have the stock shifter or not. It's the same basic idea. So let's go ahead and dive in. The first thing you're going to need is a flathead screwdriver, and you're going to want to stick it in between the center console and the shifter bezel. And as soon as you get underneath it, you'll hear it pop, and then just get the left side, and then they should be free. You're going to want to spin your shifter knob no matter which one you have. This is an aftermarket one, but they work the same. Alright, now once that's off, this part should just slide free. Alright, now we just got to go ahead and loosen them on up. Alright, and now for the bottom one. Now the shifter assembly is removed. You can go ahead and put the stock one back on or upgrade to an aftermarket one. Since we already had an aftermarket Hurst shifter, we're going to go ahead and put that one back on right now. So we had this rubber gasket, and we're going to go ahead and attach that back to the shifter, and then put the shifter assembly back on. Alright, now we can go ahead and tighten them down. Alright, and for the last one. Alright, it looks like it's solid. Now that the shifter is put together, we need to put the trim bezel back in place. If you put pressure on each corner, it should just snap in. Good to go. And now let's throw the knob on. There we go, guys. The shifter is back in place.